Hello, I'm Bob McLaren. I'm the interim director of the Institute for Astronomy. Astronomy started actually following the disastrous tsunami of 1960. The local Chamber of Commerce acted on a suggestion they got that Mauna Kea might be a good site for ground-based astronomy. It's very significant for a number of reasons. One is the variety of telescopes that are there. There are optical telescopes that observe invisible light, infrared telescopes that work to study heat radiation from celestial objects, and also what are called submillimeter telescopes. That's short-wavelength radio telescopes, and they each have their own role in unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. In terms of the statistics of publications and the impact of those publications, the telescopes on Mauna Kea are absolutely world-leading. They're among the top 4 or 5 worldwide in terms of their impact on science. In looking to the future and deciding what's right for Mauna Kea and how things should be managed, I think that it's important to understand the history and how we got to where we are now, and what that means in terms of making decisions for the future. We're not in a situation of deciding at this point, are we going to do astronomy on Mauna Kea? That's not really the question that is relevant. We've been doing astronomy on Mauna Kea for 50 years. World-leading astronomy. So when we get into a conversation of what's right for the future, I think we need to be cognizant of what's happened in the past, what we've achieved, and why we got to where we are now. It's a mistake to talk about the 30-meter telescope in isolation from what has happened already on Mauna Kea. So I think to have a useful conversation about the 30-meter telescope, you need to begin with a conversation about astronomy in general on Mauna Kea, the history, where we are now, and what that says about where we should go in the future.